how to turn on or turn off keyboard auto capitalize on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then we swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, we then scroll down and tap on general management. After that, go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. In here, scroll down, then tap on more typing options. At the top, tap on auto capitalize. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. Now tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. So as you type here, your text will automatically auto capitalize on a new sentence after a full stop. As you can see right there. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.